friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Poco X3 versus the Realme X2 Pro device. So I got so many requests asking me to compare the Poco X3 versus the Realme 7 Pro. So at the moment, unfortunately, I do not have the Realme 7 Pro model, but I decided to do the display comparison with the Realme X2 Pro device. I know there's a difference from the Realme 7 Pro and the X2 Pro, but at least you'll get to know the displays of the Realme versus the display of the Poco in this video. So make sure to follow me regularly, friends, because I'll be doing so many videos on the Poco X3. In case if you are planning to buy this mobile phone, try to check the playlist of the Poco X3, so you'll get a clear idea whether to buy the Poco X3 or not at the moment. So first, before starting my video, let me try to show you the exactly what properties both the phones are using. So you need to know before knowing about the which display is the best one. So this what in every video I'll be doing this kind of initial introduction between the screens. The Realme X2 Pro has a Super AMOLED panel. So according to me, Super AMOLED panels are like best in terms of the saturation and contrast mode. So they have so many advantages like having the always on display functionality and plenty of other things. So Super AMOLED panel on the Realme X2 Pro and the IPS LCD panel in the Poco X3 device. So next is the screen size, 6.67 inches and 6.5 inches. So you can see slightly a small display in the Realme X2 Pro and same kind of resolution and ratio as well, and pixel density is more on the Realme X2 Pro because of small screen size and Gorilla Glass 5 production, HDR10 Plus certified. So that is a 1 point and 1000 nits of maximum brightness. So I did another sunlight visibility test as well on the Poco X3 device. So in case if you want to know more details about the sunlight visibility test, so try to check this video which I uploaded on the sunlight visibility. Even I'll try to do the comparison with the Realme X2 Pro in terms of sunlight visibility as well. And 120 refresh rate here and 90 refresh rate on the Realme X2 Pro. So now let me open the settings as well. So main purpose of this video is that I'll be going very in depth regarding the display. That's why I'm trying to show you what are the options I am selecting in both the phones. I know it's a little bit of time consuming, but you need to know what are the options I am using at the moment. As you can see right now, I'm using this kind of selections option in both the phones, and I will be enabling this OSI vision effect as well. So few of the users, they did ask me to enable this option, so I decided to enable that option as well. And let me open the MX player and play the same video in both the phones at same time. So let's see which video will be the best. So first thing is that I won't be editing any of this video in terms of the colors, brightness or anything. So you'll get to know actual colors of this both the smartphones, Poco X3 and the Realme X2 Pro device. So these are my display comparison videos will be there in my channel. So make sure to follow my channel regularly to get to know more details. So right now let me try to zoom in a little bit so you can actually take a look at both the displays when you compare side by side. So do comment below, friends, which display you like the best. But overall, till now the Realme X2 Pro is doing pretty good job in terms of the color saturation mode. So whereas in the Poco X3 device, there is an option of adding the video toolbox by which you can actually change the colors in the real time. As you can see, increasing and decreasing the brightness. You can clearly observe in the Poco X3 right now what I'm doing. So there's an option where you can actually increase the saturation mode if you want, or if you want to increase the brightness, you can increase. So now if you compare side by side, you can see the difference as well, how much it is improved in the Poco X3. So if you use this kind of a software gimmick in the Poco X3, the phone looks quite good, but not as close to this Super AMOLED panels. So definitely I did order my Samsung Galaxy M51 phone, so it's gonna come very soon. So I'll be doing comparison with the Samsung Galaxy M51 as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends, for that video. But overall the brightness in the Realme X2 Pro is very good and very more saturated as well. So now let me try to decrease the studio lighting effect, so you will get to know more details about which display is the best. So right now, as you can see in the low light performance, you can clearly see which display is the best. And now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. So brightness decrease it to the 10. So in the 10 brightness, the Realme X2 Pro display is slightly brighter. Let me try to decrease to 5. So maybe you might be noticing at that 5 brightness. So at this point, both are pretty kind of close to each other. And this is with the low brightness mode here. So try to observe this kind of mountains where you can clearly see the difference in terms of the colors. So both phones, they do have this kind of punch hole and notch area on the top, and then they are having the dual stereo speaker setup as well. So that is another bonus advantage if you're watching the any video songs in the loudspeaker mode. So that will be best case. And I'll be doing the loudspeaker comparison between both of the smartphones as well, in case if you want to know which loudspeaker is the best one as well. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison between both of the smartphones, and make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru for more information on the Poco X3. I'll be uploading so many videos as soon as possible, so you will get to know more details about this device before the first sale as well in the Flipkart. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.